Hi, in this video, we will see how to uninstall Microsoft Office 2019 from your computer. To uninstall, at first, you need to go to the settings. So you click the start menu, and after clicking there, go to settings. So this is the settings, and if you click settings, then the settings panel will be open. So from here, we have to go to the application because Microsoft Office, that is an application. So we need to uninstall. So we are going to applications, this option. So I'm going to click apps, and then we'll see all the list of items which I installed in my computer. Okay, but my goal was to uninstall Microsoft Office. So we can scroll down and we can till we find the Microsoft Office is there or not. In this way we can search, but there is a shortcut. I know that I need to uninstall Microsoft Office. So this is the Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019. I want to uninstall this thing. So you can click here and then you can click uninstall. This is one option, and the easiest and fastest way to uninstall, you can also write Microsoft, and if you take Microsoft, then it will show you actually make lots of applications. Okay, but to find out Office, we can simply type Office. If we type Office, then it will also come OFFIC Office, then it will come like this. And then once you click there, then it will pop up this type of thing. There will be two buttons on uninstall and modify. Modify means if you want to fix your Microsoft Office, sometimes it doesn't work properly. At that time you can modify from here, but my goal was not my but my goal is to uninstall Microsoft Office. So to uninstall this thing, we just need to click uninstall. Once you hit the uninstall button, then this type of window will come. This app is related info will be uninstalled. That means all the application which is related to this application, it will be uninstalled, like Microsoft Word, Excel, Windows XP, PowerPoint, then Microsoft Outlook. Everything will be deleted. So this is one way to uninstall. Then there is another way to uninstall. So I want to show you also that. So just click there, just ignore, close it, and then go to your search box, and here type control panel. So once you type control panel, like CON, it will show you the control panel. So you can click there and it will open the control panel, and from here you have to go the programs and settings. Just go there, power programs and features, not settings, programs, features. So you just need to click here, and then it will show you all the installed application of your computer. So from here you can sort when it is installed. It is very easy to figure out. So actually I installed Microsoft Office today. This is Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019, but I want to uninstall this thing. So at first I need to select here, and then there is a button uninstall. We can click here, or we can also do right click, and then we can also choose uninstall. So once you find the Microsoft Office, then just click on uninstall button, and it will pop up this type of menu. Do you want to allow this app to change your device? We want to uninstall, right? So there is two options, yes and no. Yes means that it will uninstall, and no means it will not. So we want to uninstall, then we have to click yes, and then it will start uninstalling. And this is again, it is asking me, like warning me that it will uninstall everything. Okay, like Microsoft Word, Excel, I cannot use that thing. So I know that I don't need those things, so I want to uninstall this. That's why I'm going to click uninstall button. So once you hit the uninstall button, the installation will continue, and it will take some time, like 1 minute to 2 minutes. And once the complete installation is done, then it will give you one message that the installation is successful, something like that. And then from here, this Microsoft Office will be completely deleted. So let's wait few more seconds, because it will be uninstalled very soon. So once Microsoft is uninstalled successfully, then you will get this type of message like done uninstalling. We have successfully removed Office from your computer. It is not required right away, but we recommend it that you restart your computer soon, so we can tidy up a few remaining files. So basically there is some temporary file when you used Microsoft Office or install Microsoft Office, it also create. So you need to restart, then it will clean everything. So hit the close button, and then uh, you'll see from this panel programs feature Microsoft Office is completely deleted. That means there is no Microsoft Office now. Okay, so in this way you can easily uninstall Microsoft Office from your computer. Hopefully this video will help you. If you need to uninstall something, Microsoft Office from your computer, you can do different ways. I showed you like three ways actually, and also There might be some other ways also, but I'm not going to those things. These are the three and most common popular way to uninstall Microsoft Office. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with others. Thank you for watching.